Christy is a pyromaniac like crazy. She's constantly at the fire pit.
She loves to kind of play with the fire. Because we've got a big fire pit, she's been asking for us to build a fire stick. You'll be able to pick up pots, move them around. You'll also be able to move logs around. And I started thinking about what do you want in the ultimate fire poker? Okay, so here's what I'm thinking, the ultimate fire stick. So this is an awning pole. If you put a little handle here, or
like a clamper.
a clamp, and then another one on this one, and use them as claws, then you can like pick things up and move them. So I think step one is to weld this little L bracket onto our movable pipe. Well, why don't we tack it in these little spots? Then we'll go out down the line and see what we can do. Don't mess it up. This is my present for Christy. We welded on a couple of L brackets to use as the part that's gonna come together as the claw. Yeah? Yeah. Sweet. Next up, I am going to bolt in the receiver. We've got a couple L brackets on one side and one more on the other, and they are going to marry together. That's gonna help you pick things up. So far, so good. Let's get the rest of the bolts on and clean this up. We've bolted on our little L brackets and we've welded on the L bracket down here. And now we're just going to tack these nuts together so that they don't back off. Next up, Kevin's going to go throw a little paint on them.
Paint job looks good.
Yeah, it cleaned it up a little bit, eh? So all we have left are a few finishing touches, starting with some grip tape for easy handling and insulation. Last wrap. So you think Christy's going to like this?
I think she's gonna like it more than nothing.
We're gonna wrap it in some reflective tape, so if you're down at the fire pit and you're looking for it, you can always find it. It's also a hollow tube, so you can blow air into the fire and light it up a little bit. Sorry.
Oh my God, get a toothbrush.
Okay, last thing, I wanna twist this hook, and we opened it up and turned it into a wine holder, because Christy loves wine.
Let's go see what we can do.
Ready to test her, mister? Don't do that with your hands. We have a fire stick now. Fire stick was great. We were able to actually pick things up without putting our hands near the fire.
Pretty cool, man.
The blow portion of it worked.
You have the lung capacity of a 2-year-old girl.
She's gonna be able to hold her wine.
Christy's gonna love that fire stick. It pokes, it blows, it clamps. It's awesome. I like your grabber thing. Hey! That's how you do that.
Okay, enjoy the cleanup.